Hello Bernardians! I'm Ariana Giselle, one of the dancers from Bellevue Melody. Have you ever seen a street dance performance before? If yes, then you know how powerful and exciting it can be. Ika nga nila, it takes a people to make a village, meaning it's not just one person who can make a community or meaningful change. It requires the effort, the unity, and the contribution of many individuals. Ngayon, titingnan natin kung paano naglaan ng walang katapusang oras at sipag ang mga dancers natin. Dito rin makikita ang mga hindrance, challenges na kinakaharap nila sa bawat step ng kanilang practice. Now that we're ready to share what's behind the scene. First off, dapat kailangan natin ng hygiene kit. Kasi super important ng hygiene, lalo na kapag we're practicing. Dapat kasama dito ang mga basic essentials like white t-shirt, babango, alcohol, deodorant, and many more. Always remember that hygiene matters, kaya make sure to dalhin it every practice.
Feeling ko nakabend yun. Para maganda yung pak, 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 pak.
My favorite part for today's practice was yung part namin nung Run the World ng mga babae.
Dance step siguro na ano, kung run the world.
Mahangin. Mahangin kasi ngayon, like look at the weather.
It's when I get to communicate and socialize with my other classmates.
For me, yung by partner namin kasi yun yung isa sa pinaka-highlight ng dance namin.
Rate ko 8.5 out of 10.
Hindi ko kasi masasabi kung confident ako kasi sa practice pa lang, parang nawawalan na ako ng gana.
Probably 10.
I'm not very confident with my dance moves since I make a lot of mistakes.
Siguro kung i-rate ko siya sa out of 10, siguro mga 7 lang.
Init, tsaka yung tawag dito yung time natin na hapon lagi tayo nagpa-practice.
Challenging? Siguro wala.
Most challenging part is that we are wearing our uniform right now while we're practicing.
When it comes to my footwork,
Kapag may steps na masyadong complicated,
yung part na lahat kami is sasayaw na.
Siguro yung mga next step, yung ginagawa nila ngayon dito sa likod.
Sa future dance steps na ituturo, since hindi pa naman kompleto yung sayaw na itinuturo.
I think I just want to practice a lot.
siguro yung kapag sumali ulit kami ng dance contest or sa mga events pa. Thank you.
Now, we're ready to share our performance and energy with you. So sit back, enjoy, and feel the energy and effort we put into. Good luck! Dapat pa ka!
Run the world, girls, girl.